What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, do you want to get free food and free account credit for Uber Eats? These Uber Eats promo codes are going to save you tons of money, and they're pretty easy to get. I'm dressed like this because they're going to hate me for releasing this video, and I want my YouTube channel to stay alive. So, I'm going to go over to my desk, and I'm going to show you how you can get the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2023 using your mobile phone. It takes just a few minutes, so let's get into it. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been watching videos and searching the internet for Uber Eats promo codes, you're probably aware there are not many codes that are actually worth using in 2024, but I'm going to be showing you the best Uber Eats promo codes that you can start using to get $100 off your next order. Alternatively, you can get free food and account credit. So, you need to follow the instructions that I'm going to show you here. You need to go to this website, guys, wavycoupons.com. So make sure you go to it by typing www. And this website is absolutely awesome. Highly recommend it. If you go to the search bar at the top of the screen, you can literally just search for Ooh. Hopefully you can type better than me, guys. I'm trying to look through the screen here. Uber. And basically, you need to look for this Uber Eats free credit and food coupons page here. Open that up, and let's see what we can get. So, as I mentioned, there's a $100 account credit code. Also, there is a free food code, and there is tons of coupons remaining. So, yeah, lots and lots of codes for you all to get. So, basically, guys, you need to click on your coupon. I'm going to go for the $100 account credit, and that confirms my choice. Basically, guys, you can see we need to unlock the full code. Completely normal, and of course, these are pretty valuable, so this just protects the codes. Now, when you click on the unlock code button, you're going to see a set of instructions that's going to tell you how to unlock the code. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes, so I'll pause the video whilst I unlock my code, and then I shall return. Okay, guys, so I just followed all of the instructions and I fully completed the step, so my code should now be unlocked. I've returned back to this tab here, and now I'm going to click on this button again, and there you go. There is my personal code that's going to give me $100 account credit. I'm going to be applying that one in a few minutes, and it's going to add $100 to my account. So that is how easy this method is, guys. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes just to fully complete all of the steps. Get yourself to wavycoupons.com and get your Uber Eats promo codes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's going to get me some food for the next couple of evenings. Peace.